Moving forward to the next one, in which we will make this beautiful drawing of this bee, which is a really easy one to make. We'll create this by following the steps as shown, and then we'll first make her face and body and her beautiful wings and complete it. Moving forward to the next one, in which we'll make this cute drawing of this turtle. It is a really easy one to make. We'll create the face and body of turtle as shown. Thank you for watching the video. Moving forward to the next one, in which we will make this beautiful drawing by following the steps as shown. We'll start by making this face and huge ears and body of this animal, which is a really cute and beautiful one, and complete it by following the steps. Moving forward to the next one, in which we will first start by making this bow tie on the head of this cat, which looks really awesome and cool, and then we will make the body and her tail and complete it by following the steps as shown. Moving forward to the next one, in which we will start by making the left side animal, and then we will create the right side animal who are standing and hugging each other. We will create this beautiful dog and cat who are hugging each other in the following ways as shown, which is a really cute one and awesome looking one.